Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Daisy. Today I will be making beautiful fridge magnets using the Cricut print and cut feature. I will show you how to work with the design and how to print and cut them. And for this project you are going to need any Cricut machine, a color printer, and printable magnetic pages. I will link the supplies and fonts used for this tutorial in the video description down below. I'm going to start with the design in the Cricut Design Space program, but before I would like to invite you to please support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. These are a few examples of what type of fridge magnet you can make. You can make wedding or baby announcements, business magnet, photo magnet, quotes, and many more. Right now, I'm going to show you how to create a business magnet. Insert the image or picture that you wish to use. Now, I will create a rectangular fridge magnet. So I'm going to insert a square from the shapes. Click on the lock to open it and resize it. I'm going to resize this one to 5 by 3 inches. Now change the color. Now place the picture on top. If you don't see it on top, go to Arrange and send it to the front. Now resize the picture to fit inside the rectangle. Now I'm going to add the information. Click on the T and start typing on the Canva. To change the font, click on Font. If you pay the membership, you have access to all of the Cricut fonts. If you don't pay the membership, don't worry. Click on System and there you're going to see the list of the fonts that you have downloaded to your computer. I don't pay the membership. I download my font from Creative Fabrica or dafont.com. The font that I'm going to use first is called Adorable. I'm going to link all the fonts in the video description down below. The business fridge magnet is almost ready. Now I'm going to change the color of the text. Once you have it ready, it's very important to select all the design and click on Flatten. Remember to do this process every time you're going to print then cut. This design is ready to be printed and cut using the printable magnet page. Now I'm going to show you how to create a round fridge magnet with a picture and text. Insert the picture of your choice, click on the shapes and insert a circle. Now place it on top of the picture. Select both layers and click on Slice. Remove the layers that you don't need and ready. Now to add border, go to Offset and add the border with the thickness of your choice. I will add a thick border since I will be adding curved text around the picture. I'm going to change the color. And now I'm going to add text. Place the text on top of the circle and change the color if you wish. Now click on Curve to curve the text. And here is the round photo fridge magnet with curved text ready to be printed and cut using printable magnet pages. Now I'm going to show you how to print and cut them. Go to Make It, Continue, Send to Printer, select the printer that you wish to use, check the bleed, and check on Use System dialog. Then click on Print. Now here, make sure your printer is selected. Click on Preferences. Here you're going to select Photo Printing. On Media Type, depending on your printable magnet type, select either glossy or matte photo paper. On Quality, select High. Click OK, then Print. To print this fridge magnet, I am using my Inkject Canon Pixma Mega Tank printer. Now here we're going to select the material that we're going to cut. If you don't see your material, click on Browse All Materials, type your material and search it. In this case, I'm going to select Printable Magnet Pages. And here we're going to select More Pressure. This always works for me, but if it doesn't work for you, remember you can still cut them twice. Now let's go to the machine. To cut it, you may use any Cricut machine. I am using my Cricut Maker. And you don't need a special blade. You can use the blade that comes with the machine. As you can see, it cut all the way through. Just remember to put more pressure. These fridge magnets are beautiful and they are perfect for photos, announcements, advertisements, quotes, and many more. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.